224 Anita Court in Redlands, California has everything you want and more. This beautiful home for sale offers an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,595 square feet of living space. This one-story house was built in 1959, includes a 2-car garage, and sits on a lot size of 13,900 square feet. This spacious formal living room has large windows that overlooks the front yard and features a cozy gas fireplace. The formal dining room is centrally located with beautiful laminate wood flooring, a stunning light fixture, lovely custom bookshelves, and skylights. The kitchen has plenty of cabinet space, tile flooring, a double oven, dishwasher, and a convenient access door to the garage. The large family room features a fireplace, skylights, and a door that leads you into the backyard. Perfect for entertaining your guests for summer barbecues and parties. The master bedroom has a ceiling fan and an ensuite master bathroom with a full-size tub and shower. Bedroom 2 includes a ceiling fan, a closet, and a nice view to the backyard. The guest bathroom has cabinets, a shower, sink, and skylight. Bedroom 3 includes a closet, a ceiling fan, and a view to the side yard. The backyard is breathtaking and ready for you to sit, relax, and enjoy our wonderful Southern California weather. There are plenty of shade trees and the yard is perfect for gardening enthusiasts. The long driveway leads you to the 2-car garage and has ample room for RV parking. All this and conveniently located minutes from schools, shopping, parks, and freeways. If you are looking for homes for sale in California, look no further. Let's make this house your home.